Guys, do you want to create such a realistic ad for your brand? Now you can follow the video step by step. First, we enter the Love Art interface. Right at the start, it accurately identifies my objective. You can make selection on the screen. I quickly enter my product headphone and pick a generation mode. For video, popular model is C-Dance 2.5. On the other thought, I prefer to start making images using ChatGPT 2, or we can use Nano Banana 2, and then image will be in progress. Love Art then start the processing, and it asks a series of questions here to pinpoint my requirement, and I can answer them, or you have other option to skip that. I fill in several prompts to describe what I need. After a short wait, it output process enter into the render, then closely match my expectation. I also appreciate, so now it is also being progress, and now it has given us a best our earbuds and what I need. Since these assets are meant for Amazon, it generate a main product images. Even we can also get multi shots, and this looks real world Amazon productive listing visual. And CDance 2.5, we can also offer it automatically convert into 30-second clip. But there, I have just created 10-second version here, and now you see how I use Love Art to make for touch edit, and I recolor the headphone to silver by simple prompt. And we are also going to add here our simple camera shots too, and raindrop pattern on this area I have given. And now you can also check all the images are now produced, and it is also going to render successfully videos here. Totally, guys, for a new case, I am also going to ready to use skill on the right hand panel. Give an other shot using cdance 2.5. The process will be start. Here are some questions that will also get the requirement what I need actually, and after confirming that, we can also check it is making new progress. And it this output include the model charts to alternative scene and top down view of the product. So here we can easily choose the middle section, and our final output is being processed. After that, you can see three pictures are now ready. We can choose one of them, and here on the images we have multi options, and we are also going to choose one, and three campaigns direction are ready now, and which is going to be good. I can easily select, so we can also go to another shot. And after the reading Nano Banana 2, images are going to create multi scene here. And multi scene, it's mean their multi camera angle too. And we will also show you how it actually work, because moving project and many other, we can even edit the text here too. So here is also multi-angle. We can choose the multi-angle camera, and then we have to apply on the images. And now you can also check out it is being generated, and image camera angle will be changed now. And you can also check from first image and last image. Now we can also object is just the our mode, and this is moving object that implement now here. So there is a cool feature. I really appreciate Love Art for this target visual, and I really impressed by their fascinating work. You can now check out moving objective, multi-angle camera, and fast work now you can see on screen. Follow their official Love Art AI updates on their official Twitter, Telegram, where you can also get a next level experience. Link in my video description. Try it now for amazing work for your own brand, or you can also use it for different e-commerce services. Thanks for watching.